Okay, now we are making initialization card for the
Okay.
programming purpose.
Okay.
So this is a initialization card. I will put in encoder and I will select initialization card and I will select room number 001.
Okay.
Okay. Initialization card successfully. Okay. This is our initialization card. And now we are making clock card. So select clock card and give real time and click OK. So now our clock card is ready. So now guest card. In guest card we have to give same room number of initialization card. See guest card, give some name for the guest and select room number 001 because
Okay.
we selected for the initialization.
Okay.
Then we can extend up to 1 year or 2 years. I will make this one begin time and end time and give issue. So guest card is ready. So before programming we have to do reset of device. This is a front side and this is a back side. In back side panel one button is there, S1. You have to press and hold this button up to 2 seconds and release it. You will get beep sound, continuous beep sound. It means the door is reset. So first you have to show.
You just try to open.
So
It's not working. Guest card is not working.
Guest card is not working. So now you have to show initialization. Now you are making programming. You are doing programming.
Okay.
So first show initialization card and then clock card and then guest card. Now this guest card is registered with this lock.
Okay.
So now the door is locked. If you show guest card, door will open. See, door is locked. You can show. Yes, door is locked. Open. This is how.
Okay.